Hi there, students. Eugenics, a noun. Eugenic, I guess, as an adjective. Let's see, eugenics is a set of beliefs and practices which want to improve the genetic quality of the human population by excluding or stopping people who are considered genetically inferior from breeding, or from promoting the having of children amongst people that are judged to be superior. Okay, so eugenics. The improvement of humans, improvement of the human gene pool by improving the hereditary qualities through selective breeding. So, I don't know, for example, if you look at the chicken that we have today, this is an animal that has been bred selectively to encourage certain characteristics within it. You can split eugenics into positive eugenics, trying to promote reproduction amongst people who have or are considered to have good genetic characteristics, or negative eugenics, trying to stop people from having kids if they're believed to have bad qualities or bad genetic qualities. So the clear example of eugenics is what the Nazis did during the Second World War by the extermination of Jews. So, eugenics. Does eugenics still exist today? I think very much so. For example, pregnant women are screened, or they try to screen pregnant women to see if the baby has Down syndrome or not. And then if the test shows that the baby has Down syndrome, it's they strongly recommended that the baby be aborted. This clearly, to me, is a case of eugenics. I think these modern CRISPR techniques, these are gene editing techniques, will bring with them a new age of eugenics. I think very clearly there are many problems with eugenics, because firstly, what are good and what are bad characteristics? I think we don't know, and I think that's probably the most difficult question. What is good and what is bad? I think everything is good and everything is bad. It depends on the situation. Okay, so eugenics. The idea that it's possible to improve humans by selective breeding. Yeah, this is clearly genetic racism, and this is the idea of eugenics. Clearly, there is going to be a lot of debate about this, where in the future, I think parents are going to be able to choose characteristics for their children. So, I think eugenics. I think it's certainly not natural and not a good thing. But eugenics, it's a technical idea. The study of methods to improve the human race by selecting the parents who will produce the best children. Define best. Um, let's see, this is a technical word. This is eugenics. This is a philosophy or a technique or a method. As to formality, I think I would probably give this something like a 7 in formality. Something to use in a semi-formal framework or something very formal. I think maybe informally, selective breeding, something like that. Select who has children. And then as to origin, okay, this word was actually first coined by Francis Galton in 1883 from uh, from Greek, from eus, good, yeah, and gignomai, breeding. So good breeding, well bred, uh, good good genetics is the idea of it. So there you go. I'd be interested to hear your views on eugenics. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Eugenics.